Hello guys, so if you're looking to upload a design on Redbubble, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, open your browser and log into your Redbubble account. Then click on your profile and click on sell your art. After that, click on upload new work over here. Now choose your design. Now while it's uploading, add a title for your design. Then add suitable tags separated by comma. So add the tags by which people are going to find your art over here. Then give a brief description about your product. So let's do that. So after you have wrote everything, if you want you can also add in multiple languages, but I'm not going to do that. Now after you have done that, you can just simply scroll down and over there you will find few previews that how your art is going to look on different type of products like t-shirts, hats, sticker, dress, mouse pad, etc. So as you can see, they are all over here. To edit any design, all you have to do is just simply click on edit over here or click on edit on any other product that you want to change. So I'm going to do it on this one. So click on edit, scroll down and a panel will appear over here. So firstly, there is replace image. So if you want to replace your art, you can just simply click on it and upload a new art. So if you want that, you can do that. Now if you want to change the location of your art, you can just simply click on the image and move along over here, but I don't want that. So I'm going to keep that back where it was. Then after that comes styles. So if you click on the drop box, you will be able to see on which type of products your art is applicable, like tank tops, v-neck and many more. So I'm going to choose long sleeves. So I'll just simply click on it. Now wait for a few seconds. Now it is updated. Now over here you can change the font if you have any font based thing on your t-shirt. Over here you can change the color of your t-shirt just like this. You can change the size of your art vertically and horizontally by clicking on them if you want that. You can move center. Now after doing all of that, you can click on apply changes, but before that click on the second box over here, and over here you can change a lot of things regarding your price. So as you can see, these are all the things that you can sell. So over here you can enable anything that you want to sell by right click on this box over here like this. Simply click on this box and it will be checked. Now over here in this panel you will find a column called markup. So markup is the value that you will earn. So it is currently 20%, so let's make it 40. Now as you can see, the price will change over here. So markup is the percentage of the amount that you will receive on per sale. So after making all the changes, just simply click on apply changes over here. Now after you're done with one of these, do them for all of the products that you want to sell. So if you want to sell products, just simply click on enable, just simply keep them enabled. And if you don't want to sell a product, just simply click on enable and make them disable like this. As you can see right over here. Again, I am going to disable this one as well, and that goes for this one as well. So just simply keep on disabling things that you don't want to sell. Now I'm just going to edit the mouse pad for a little bit because it's a little too big. So I'm just going to adjust the size. So after that, just simply click on save changes. If you want to change the background of your mouse pad or any product as I showed you earlier, you can do that as well. Then click on apply changes. Now again for the hat. After that, just simply click on apply changes. Now after you're done editing all of it, just simply scroll down, and over here if your content is mature, you can add that. You can add your product in collection over here if you have one. Over here, if you want to make your product public or private, choose the option over here. Click on this checkbox over here, then click on save work. Now wait for a few seconds. And now your product is uploaded. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.